locked down at home? Learning at home. Never stop believing in your dreams. When one door closes, another's open. Hello friends, I am Simpi from Western Overseas and we are here to assist you in this tough time. Fulfill your dream of studying abroad with us. All you have to do is to just take a first step towards this journey by attending our IELTS-PTE virtual workshop on coming 5th June. Western Overseas bring you a 90-minute live interactive IELTS-PTE workshop on 5th June 2020. The benefits: get the 9-band finest tips and strategies from the IDP, British Council and Pearson certified trainers. Get the interactive real classroom experience. This is the place to get mentoring and monitoring all together. Whether you have done your IELTS and PT, whether you are about to start IELTS and PT, all comes under the one name, IELTS-PTE virtual workshop. Grab this opportunity as the seats are limited. You are just a click away from your dreams. So what you are waiting for? Register now. Book your slot. Thank you.